Hey guys, how's it going? Tracy here. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of my Love with Food. This is a $10 a month subscription, and each box helps people in the US who are hungry and in need of food, and I think that's a really good cause. Also, these are just snack sizes. They give you like 6 to 8 snacks in here, so you can try them. A lot of it is organic, vegan friendly, so let's just get started. And this will be the June box of 2015. So this is what it looks like. So, Meadow Tasting Box, Saturday in the Park. So then this is just what it is. It's got, you know, picnic basket and everything, and then in here it tells you everything what you have, which is really nice. So I'm just gonna dive in here, pick something, and then we can. So the first thing I see is Sun Ripe 100% fruit strips, and let's see, chewy fruit yumminess with no added sugar that tastes as good as candy. What's not to love? Break out your kite. These bring out the kid in you. And these are vegan and gluten-free. So let's try this. It's like a fruit roll-up, but they have like grids on them. So I'm guessing you pull it apart, maybe. These are good. I like. They're super fruity. They're not super sweet, which I like. A little bit tart. They definitely don't taste like artificial strawberries. Sun Ripe fruit strips. Very good. And then my iced tea with me to wash things down. Okay, let's see the next thing. Kuta chewy cashew, full fruit and raw nuts with chai and flaxseed. Gluten and soy free, vegan, and no GMO. So let's see. For some, I don't see it on here. So we will try this. I really like cashews, so I think this will be a good thing to try. They're so hard to open. So this is what it looks like. It smells okay. It smells kind of like diet food, but it's not bad, but it's not good. I don't like it. It's very chewy. I'm a crunchy type of person. It's very chewy. No thank you. Alright, let's try this. Artisan Italian crackers, rosemary, from La Panzanella. So artisan made, these crunchy little bites are just called out for a assortment of cheese, and break out the buddy. This picnic is meant to linger. And this just has no GMO. Oh, you can smell the rosemary right when you open the package. Super, it smells really good. So it's like that. They have a light salt taste to them. Not super rosemary. Definitely, the smell is more. It's more aromatic than the taste wise, but like with brie. Like you melt brie a little bit and put this on it. That'd be super good. And it says it's all natural, no fat. So I like the rosemary crackers. These are good. What are these? Classic iced tea. Tea candy by Balstic Best. These are Be refreshed every time. Made with real tea extract, a natural antioxidant source. It's like having a tall glass of cool that you can pack in your purse. It goes along with my iced tea that I already have. So, let's see. Doesn't smell like anything. That's what it is. It's really honey-y. It actually is super good, you guys. It's not super sweet. It kind of tastes like the sun tea that my mom used to make out on the porch with Lipton iced teas, but it has like real honey in it. That was really good. Alright. Sheila G's Brownie Brittle chocolate chip. I've had these before. They're so good. Hide this stuff. Like ants to a picnic, your friends will arrive out of nowhere and take over all as soon as the scrumptious secret is out of the bag. And this doesn't say that it's gluten-free or anything like that, so I'm guessing it's just... And it's 120 calories per serving. So this is one serving. And I know I'm going to like these. Ooh. I cannot open anything today, guys. I should have got scissors. Goodness. And these, okay, so Brownie Brittle they're really crunchy. So if you're somebody who likes the edges of the brownie pan, you're gonna love these. They're like my fave. So they're so good. I could eat these definitely for a snack all the time. Highly recommend the Brownie Brittle. Next thing, everything savory bar from Sheila. Seeds, whole grains, and chickpeas give the savory bar something: flavor, crunch, protein, and fiber. Looking for sugar? You've got the wrong bar. This is vegan, gluten-free, and no GMO. This is what it looks like. Oh, it smells amazing. It smells like garlic powder and onion powder. This gotta be good. Just tastes exactly like an everything bagel, but smushed down into like a thick cracker form. This is good. Actually, yes to this. Okay. Next thing, Emily's Trail Mix Premium Northwest. Naturally balanced combo of protein-packed nuts and vitamin-filled fruits. It's vegan and gluten-free. So you get really nice big nuts in there. Just your plain, everyday trail mix. Nothing super exciting. Nothing that really stands out to me. But it's good. Alright, last thing in here to try is Pop Chips Crazy Hot. And it says, caution, all the heat, half the fat. So these are... Be the first to try this new brand. Ooh, so I'm the first to try these. They're not out on the market yet. Hot off the line. They'll make your taste bud tingle with a slow growing burn that's oddly addictive. Well, we'll see about that. I love spicy stuff. Actually, before I was filming this, I was eating buffalo wing chips. So, okay. Let's try these bad boys. They don't smell that spicy. Try a baby one first. They kind of hit you after. When you first put them in, they don't really taste like anything. But then like the aftertaste, you can taste it. And it's definitely more of a Tabasco. Oh my god. It's definitely more of a Tabasco taste than you would say like a buffalo sauce taste. That makes any sense. I like it though. These are good. Yes. Okay, so that is all the food that is in the box, and now we just have like a little sample things I can show you. You get a coupon for buy one get one free for the Sunripe fruit chips, which is really good, you guys. I highly recommend those. You get $1 off 2 bags of that Brownie Brittle, or 30% off shopping online if you spend $49 or more. You get 15% off ShifaFoods.com. And that was the savory bar that I had, the one that tasted like an everything bagel. Very good. And then something that we didn't get to try in our box, but they give a coupon for, is a free box of Ruby Rockets veggie and fruit pops. And they give you 2. So buy one get one free, and then a free. So I will have to see if I can find this in my grocery store, and I'll check it out. You guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you again for all the new subscribers. If you guys like this box, please comment below, and I will let you know when everything is going to be available, and I will link below some coupon codes for you. So I hope you all are having a great day. I'll talk to you later. Bye.